We had a feeling we weren't the only ones that had issues with existing lighters. Tired of burning ourselves, we decided to do something about it. So we set out to design our own. Looking at the market, nothing addressed our need or style. We asked ourselves, how can we make the pocket lighter better? We spent hours designing and redesigning, engineering, prototyping, and repeating. We were back at the drawing board often, but only to make sure that we got everything right. Every detail mattered to us: materials, size, and especially ergonomics. After nearly 2 years of design and engineering, we've created something that we're truly proud of. A premium solution that makes you ask yourself, why didn't I think of that? Introducing the DISSIM inverted lighter. Our patent-pending circle grip allows for igniting in the upright or inverted position. While inverted, the angled flame port creates a natural and ergonomic hand position to easily direct the flame where you want it. The flame adjustment wheel makes it easy to set the perfect flame height. The refillable butane tank makes sure you'll never have to throw another lighter in a landfill. We're so confident in our product, we've even backed it by a lifetime warranty. We need your help to bring this project to life. Learn more and back our project below.